Good morning, everyone. Today we will be checking on how to look for sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 60, cos 60, and then tan 60. We'll draw an equilateral triangle first. An equilateral triangle. And don't forget, in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Also, all angles too are equal. Now, I will break this triangle. I will split this triangle. I'm splitting this triangle now, meaning this angle 2 will be divided into 2. That is, I will have this face will be 30 now, and this face will be 30. Also, this side 2 will be broken down. This will be 1 and this will be 1. Now, I don't know this place. If you check very well now, I now have like 3 triangles. I now have like two triangles. I have these big triangles, and this one too is also forming another triangle. So angle 90 should come in like this. Okay, since I don't know this space, I can make this space to be x. And remember Pythagoras theorem that when we want to look for when two sides are known in a right angle triangle, meaning to get the third side, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So I can say this is my, of course, where my angle 90 is facing is my hypotenuse. So I can say 2 square is equals to s square plus 1 square. So that is 4 is equals to s square plus 1. Now to get this x, now I will say 4 minus 1 is equals to s square. So 3 is equals to s square. Divide both sides by square root both sides. Square root both sides. Square root both sides. So my x will be root 3. Now that my x is root 3, now I can now go to get my sin 30, cos 30, and then tan 30. Sin 60, cos 60, and then tan 60. So if I'm looking for sin 30, I will be making use of this arched angle. And if I'm looking for sin 60, I will make use of this arched angle. So let's start with sin 30. So this place turns to be my opposite, while this place will be my adjacent. So what is sine itself? Sine is opposite all over hypotenuse. Opposite all over hypotenuse. And this is my opposite. So 1 all over hypotenuse. My hypotenuse is 2. Cos 30. Adjacent root 3 all over hypotenuse, all over 2. Tan 30. Opposite 1 all over adjacent, all over root 3. Okay. Now let's check sin 60. Sin 60, I'll send it. Whenever you are looking for sin 60, this angle of sin 60, wherever it's facing, turns to be our opposite. So sin 60, that is so opposite all over hypotenuse. Opposite. My opposite now is root 3 all over hypotenuse, all over 2. Cos 60. The formula for cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Where is my adjacent? My adjacent is, since this is my opposite now, so this one will be my adjacent. So 1 all over hypotenuse. What is my hypotenuse? 2. 1 over 2. And then tan 60. What is tan? opposite all over adjacent, opposite all over adjacent all over 1. Now from this now, this is simple. For us not to forget, we can easily say that sine 30 is same thing as cos 60. Also, cos 30 is same thing as sine 60. And then tan 30 is inverse of tan 60. So this is how this, or sine 30 cos 30 tan 30, this is how we arrive at this. So with this, we can go and apply it in any trigonometry ratio given to us. Thank you.